If you're seeing GOG error E15, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually shows up when a download gets stuck, a file gets blocked, or GOG Galaxy runs into a permission or installation problem. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without losing your game progress. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get into the first fix. Open GOG Galaxy on your computer and go to the download section. If a download is paused, stuck, or not moving, click Resume All first. This helps force the client to recheck everything and continue the download process. Right after that, click Pause All. This restart style method often clears temporary glitches and is one of the quickest ways to resolve error E15. Now, if that does not work, the next thing to check is your disk space. GOG Galaxy needs enough free storage to download and unpack game files properly. Make sure the drive you are installing to has plenty of available space, and if possible, keep some extra free space beyond the game's minimum requirement. When a drive is too full, downloads can fail and trigger errors like E15. The next fix is to run GOG Galaxy as an administrator. Close the app completely, then right-click the GOG Galaxy shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to write files, update folders, and complete downloads properly. If the issue was caused by a permission problem, this step can fix it immediately. After that, try verifying or repairing the game files. Open GOG Galaxy again, go to your installed games, and select the game that is giving you trouble. Click the Settings gear icon, then choose Manage Installation, and then select Verify or Repair. GOG will scan the files and replace anything that is corrupted, missing, or incomplete. This is especially useful if the download failed partway through or if a file became damaged. Another common cause is antivirus software blocking the download or installation process. Some antivirus tools can mistakenly think game files are unsafe and stop GOG from writing them correctly. If you suspect that is happening, temporarily disable your antivirus, then test the download or repair again. If it works, turn the antivirus back on right away after you finish testing. You do not want to leave your system unprotected any longer than necessary. And if none of those fixes solve the problem, the last option is to reinstall GOG Galaxy. First, download the latest version directly from GOG.com, then remove the current version and install the fresh copy. This can fix broken program files, outdated components, or deeper client issues that the other steps could not repair. Once reinstalling is complete, sign back in and try your download again. In most cases, one of these methods will clear up GOG error E15 and get everything working normally again. So to recap, restart the download, check your free disk space, run GOG Galaxy as administrator, verify or repair the game files, temporarily disable antivirus if needed, and reinstall GOG Galaxy only as a last resort. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe so you do not miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.